Hey everyone, this is Lomi, taking a week off while I get all my sewing patterns organized to streamline my future tutorials. So this week I'm putting together the last set of Sylvanian Families miniatures that my friend Amanda sent me from Japan. This set is from the Gachapon machines and I'm really excited to see what they look like. So I don't know which rooms any of these are, they aren't labeled on the outside. Let's open one and find out. They've got big sticker sheets, so that should keep me busy. And this one looks like a bedroom. This seems pretty easy to snap together, and it holds nicely too. I was concerned the pieces might not fit well, but they look really nice. Look at all the furniture this comes with. This will be so much fun to arrange. Unlike the boxed sets I put together, these don't have any instructions on where the different stickers go, so I'm using the picture of the completed set as a guideline. Some of it's not too hard to figure out, as there is really only one place the stickers will fit. It's really amazing how many little pieces are in these sets. I wish capsule machines in the United States had things like this. They're so cute and such a nice quality. And fun to put together too. This first set even has a little book. How adorable is that? Let's see the next one. They all have so many stickers and pieces. It looks like this will be a kitchen. So first is opening everything up. It looks like all the rooms are going to go together exactly the same. They looked a little different to me in the pictures, like some rooms were wider than others, but I guess that's just from how they're laid out. Some of these stickers are also just recolors of the others, but they're still super cute, so I don't even care. I've got a whole box of these miniatures now. And even when I'm not using them for photo setups, it's really nice to have them out where I can see them. I love all these tiny things with intricate details. And I know I've said it before, but these are just such a nice quality. I've really enjoyed putting them together, and while I do love how perfect they are as props for my little dolls, I also like that they're a good enough quality that I can use them to play with my daughter too, and don't have to worry about them breaking. There we go, finally something I need tweezers for. I've been able to do most of this by hand, which is nice. There, kitchen's done. Let's see what's next. Oh, so this one's the baby's nursery. Most of the pieces in this set look like they're pretty big, so they'll go together really fast. The pieces look like they may end up being a little too big for the room, but I guess we'll see once I have it put together. That's not too bad. What a cute little room. I especially love the pool with the little fish in it. Okay, so last of all is the bathroom. Oh wow, the pieces in this set are really cute. The little tub is the most adorable thing. This one doesn't seem like it has quite as many stickers as the others did. I guess it does, they're just smaller pieces. This is also the first time I really wish the stickers were labeled, because it's a little hard to figure out what's supposed to go where. The printed picture this came with is so small that it's sort of hard to make things out. But I'll get it after a minute. This is another one where the pieces almost seem to be too big to go in the room, but I do like how full they are. It's pretty different from the little houses, which seem like they came with just enough furniture to fill it. These are really packed. And there it is. And here's the whole set. It's really neat how you can turn the different rooms to snap them together, or remove walls to make new scenes or new layouts. And they come with so much furniture. Where I feel like you had to have all of the other ones to have a good-looking setup, just one of these would be enough to display. They all have such nice little details. You just have to be careful because some of those parts are extra small and they would be super easy to lose. And that's all for today. If you liked this, you can see me assemble my other Sylvanian Families minis in the other videos already available on my channel. For now, I've got to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Bye.